Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready students? Okay? Sit in a place. Sit. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children? Stop. Children, FA2 revision. Yes. FA2 revision. What are the chapters are there? 4th chapter and 5th chapter. Understood? Addition. Addition chapter. Chapter number 4. Addition. Okay? See. Everyone open your workbook ma. You should practice this. Okay? Chapter number 4. Addition. Recall. Multiple choice question. Write the missing numbers. See 24 plus 42. See 24 plus 42. They given dash 6. S. Which number is missed here? See 24 plus 42. S. Here 4 plus 2 6. 4 plus 2 6. Here which number missed? 6. Option C. S. You should practice ma. Why how they came the answer like that, you should think and you should practice. Okay. See the sum of 200 and 300 is. The sum of 200 and 300 is. What is that answer? 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 2, 5. What is that answer? 500. Option A. Yes. First one. Option C. Second one. Option A. Why you wrote option A? Because you added 200 plus 300. If you add 200 plus 300, 500 will come. Yes. Next. 800 plus 20. Which are, see 800 plus 20. See 20 you should write here or tens place you should write. See you know ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Yes. Here 20 tens place you should write. Yes. See 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 8 like that only. What is that answer? 820 is the answer. C. Option C. Understood children? Now, fourth one. Multiple choice question again, ma. Remembering and understanding. See, the volume of 37 rounded off to the nearest tens is 37 nearest tens. You know, 37 nearest tens. What is that? 37 after 38, 39, 40. Nearest tens means which number will come? 40 will come. Yes. See, 37, 38, 39, 40. Yes. Here 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 33, 32, 31, 30. See here 37 here. Yes, nearest tens. See here far, very far. 36 here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers after that 30 will come. Yes, here only 2 number after that 40 will come. That's why 40 is the nearest 37. Yes. Where is that option? B. Option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next. The volume of 82 rounded of the nearest tens is 82. 82 nearest. Tell me. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Yes. See, 81, 80. Which number is nearest to 10? Which number? 82 nearest tens. Which number will come? See, 80 will come because 82 back side, 81, 80. Understood? Option? What is that option? Option D. Understood, children? You know, estimate the sums. Rounded off. Tens means you should check which number will come first. See nearest. See the value of 165 rounded of the nearest tens. See 165. 165. See 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 164, 163, 162, 161, 160. See children, listen, this is middle number. You can write 160, otherwise 170 because Y is middle number. Understood? That's why D, option D. What is that? Both A and C, because A 160, C 170. That's why both A and C you should write. Okay, what is that? D. Option D is the correct answer. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks. You should practice this all children. Fill in the blanks. The estimated sum of 45 and 27 is estimate sum of means what you have to do? You should estimate 47 plus 47 and 45 and 27. What is that estimated sum? Tell me. 45 nearest 50 or 40, anything you can write, plus 27 nearest. Which number will come? 27, 30. What is that answer? 80 is the answer. Okay. Now, the value of 78 rounded off to the nearest tens is 78. 78 nearest. Which number will come? 80. 51, the nearest. See, 51 rounded up to the nearest tens is 50. Next, 10th one. Estimate the sum of 15 and 21. What you have to do? The estimate sum is, you should write again, 15 nearest tens. Which one will come? 20. Which number will come? 20. 20 plus 21 nearest 20. What is that answer? 40 is the answer. Understood? Otherwise, you can write or see 15 nearest. You can write back number also, because 5 is middle number as 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Understood, children? 2 you can do, because 15 is the middle number, as already I told you. 15, 5 always coming in middle. You can write 5. If you 5 is there means you can write 10, otherwise 1. Understood? 0. Sorry. Here 15 is there as nearest tens. 15 means what? You can write 20 here, 10 or 20. Estimate the sum. Understood? 15 is the middle number. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 as 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. See, this is the middle number. That's why you can write 10 or 20 nearest. Understood? See, children, 11th one. Estimate the sum of 26 and 24. What you have to do? Again, you should write the estimate sum is. Okay. 26 nearest what? Estimate sum is. 26 nearest 30. 30 plus 24 nearest 20. 30 plus 20, 50. Understood, children, what I am doing? Next, 12th one. Estimate the sum of 81 and 11. Estimate the sum. You should write. Estimates sum is 81 nearest. What? Which number will come? 80 plus 11 nearest 10. What is the answer? 90 is the answer. 80 plus 10, 90. Understood, children? You should practice this, Alma. This is workbook. Okay, workbook part. You should practice. Now, next, what is that sum, children? Short answer question. 13th one. Estimate the sum of 354 and 235. What you have to do? You should write rounding off. Yes, 13th one. Rounding off 354 to the nearest tens gives 354 nearest tens. Or which number will come? 354 nearest. See, 54 nearest. Which number will come? 50. 350. S. Next, rounding of 235 to the nearest tens gives 235. Already I told you 35. You can write 40 or 30. Yes, 240. Understood, children? Now what you have to do? You should adding. Yes, adding you should do. Adding means which number you should do adding? You should add these two numbers which you estimated the numbers now, that numbers you should add. The 350 plus 240. Therefore, see what is that answer? 350 plus 240. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus symbol. 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 2, 5. What is that answer? 590 is the answer. Understood? Otherwise you can add like that only. Ones place you should add first. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 9, tens place. See? 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4, 9. Hundreds place. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay? Therefore, see, therefore estimated of 354 and 235 is 590. Understood, children? Next, 14th one. What is that question, children? Estimate the sum of 567 and 312. Okay. Again what you have to do? Rounding of 567 to the nearest tens gives what? 567. Nearest tens 570. Understood? Next, rounding of what is that number? 312 to the nearest tens gives what is that? 312 nearest tens 310. Yes. Now adding, should add or not? 570 plus 310. See, ones place 0 plus 0, 0. Tens place 7 plus 1, 8. Hundreds place 5 plus 3, 8. What is that answer? 80, 880. Understood? Therefore, the estimated sum of, what is that, 567 and 312 is 880. Understood, children? Practice this up to 1 to 14 today. Tomorrow 15 to next. Understood?